everyone, welcome back to more Gemini 1.5 Pro testing. In this video, I'm going to show you how I have used Gemini Pro 1.5 to create the descriptions in my last two YouTube videos. Creating descriptions for YouTube videos can be a little annoying. It's hard to get it right, and sometimes you end up having to tune it a few times. So I thought that I would just let Gemini Pro do it for me, and we'll see what happens. Whether or not these videos get any more or less hits than my previous YouTube videos. Now, whether or not the YouTube algorithm still uses the YouTube description to help push out the video is still up to debate. We don't know if they do, but if they do, then it's still a really good description. What we have here is AI Studio with Gemini Pro 1.5. The first thing I do is I tell it that I want it to create me a YouTube description for a YouTube video, and I like to give it the name of the YouTube video. Again, I have used Gemini to help me create the name. I just ask it to give me, 5 good names, and I give it this what the video is about, and it creates them for me. Okay, so now what's the next step? Well, in order to give me a description for my YouTube video, it actually needs to have the YouTube video. So Gemini 1.5 Pro allows us to upload videos. So here I am, I'm going to upload the video. Now this is a 309 megabyte video that it's going to upload. Now remember that it uploads them to your Drive account. So you're going to have to clean out your Drive account every now and then because things are going to get uploaded and you're going to eat through your Drive space really quickly doing this. But this is just a test and I have quite a bit of Drive space, so I'm not worried about it right now. But once it's done finally uploading the video, it then has to process the video. So you're going to see that that will also take some time. And again, I'm on a VPN, so it may be faster if you're not. So now the next step is that I'm going to tell it that that this is the video itself, and that way it knows what it is that I've uploaded. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm going to upload the thumbnail for the video. So now I'm going to go ahead and give it the thumbnail for that video. So now it has both the video itself and the thumbnail. Now I'm going to tell it that I want it to create me a catchy SEO-targeted YouTube description for this video and this thumbnail. Now, again, it won't do it until it's done processing that video itself. There, it's done. And then, again, this is Gemini Pro 1.5, so this request itself takes 243,000 tokens. So, I don't know, that's not bad. It's pretty reasonable considering what I've uploaded. So here it's going to run. Now I'm going to guess it's going to take at least a minute for it to do it. I don't remember how long. This is editing Linda, so I don't remember how long it took. Let's give it a few minutes. Now remember, I am whitelisted for Gemini Pro 1.5, so if you have any ideas of things that you want me to test with Gemini Pro 1.5, please add a comment below and let me know, because I'm kind of running out of ideas of stuff to test. I've just been testing things that I thought would be fun. But I'd love to test stuff that you might think would be fun. So please leave a comment below. So now it's starting to come back with our response, and there you go. It has given me a pretty decent description for this video, and I actually like it. It's interesting in AI chatbots. Want to learn more about Gemini Pro. Is trying to decide which version of Pro to buy. See, now it's saying to buy Gemini Pro, which right now it's free, or actually it's not even free, it's whitelisted. So it's hallucinating a little bit, but I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to copy this exactly how it is, and I'm going to put it over in the description for my latest video, or my second to latest, because this will now become my new latest. And that will be that. We're going to see how it goes with the SEO on that. And I don't know, I'll probably do the exact same thing with this video now that I'm almost done editing it. So this is Linda Lawton. I am a machine learning GDE, among other things. And please remember to like and subscribe for more Google-related content. I do stuff on Google APIs, and lately a lot on Gemini, since I have been whitelisted and have superpowers to test things for you. So I guess that's it, and I hope you have a nice day.